I'm going to show you step-by-step guide how to start investing in the Philippine stock market this week, even with zero knowledge, fast, easy, and fun. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to One Nation, where I teach corporate employees who wants to beat inflation, grow their money, and make money work for them through stock market investing. Before anything else, let me put this statement out there. You should understand what investing in the stock market is all about. Everything is risky if you don't know what you are doing. I've long accepted the fact that in life, there's always risk. Crossing the street is dangerous kung hindi ka titingin sa paligid bago tumawid. Love is risky if you skip getting to know the other person first before jumping into a relationship. When people say the stock market is dangerous, it's because you don't know what you are doing. Learning is a continuous process. Pero after you finish this video, you can already start buying your first stock and be on your way to your financial goals. Excited? Ready? Let's go! Kwento ko muna my stock market journey. I've always been scared to invest in the stock market. In my mind, lagi ko naiisip, sugal lang to and it will take away all my hard-earned money. Feeling ko din complicated siya and very technical. So instead of facing it and learning how it works, I started investing in the bank na lang and putting them in time deposits. I've seen it increase pero hindi ganun kalaki. Sa savings, may 2 pesos to 5 pesos a month akong interest na nakukuha. Sa time deposit naman, may 37 pesos akong interest every maturity of 35 days. Pero after a year, napansin ko, yung Chicken Joy sa Jollibee went up from 79 pesos to 99 pesos and a meal that costs 115 now. Di pa kasama yung extra rice. Sa isang meal pa lang napunta yung interest ko sa bank. I was a supervisor in a BPO then and was working for 5 years and I was ashamed to say I have zero investments. I can't recall what made me learn and invest in the stock market, pero I'm glad I did. I made this guide because I don't want you to be like me. I want Filipinos to know it does not require rocket science to start investing in the stock market. That it's risky, but it's a gamble if you don't know what you are doing. Even though I learned a lot while doing it on my own, I could have saved a lot of time and energy if someone had told me what exactly I needed to know to get started. Let me know in the comments below if I could help you with one thing to help you get started in your stock market investing journey so you can save for retirement and hindi ka na habang buhay magtrabaho. What would it be? Leave a comment below. Kaya, eto na talaga. Excited? Ready? Let's go! The stock market is a place where you can buy and sell shares of stocks of a publicly listed company. Now, hati-hatiin natin. Market, dito ka nag-buy and sell ng shares of stock. Yung place naman is the Philippine Stock Exchange or PSE located in Ortigas and Makati. But you don't need to go there to transact. May selected representatives kasi or brokers. Kasi the PSE does not transact directly with us investors for control purposes and work simplifications. Not all corporations then offer its shares of stock to the public. The company must first pass strict standards set by the PSE. Tapos, sila yung publicly listed companies. Magulo ba? Sige, in summary, ganito siya. Let me show you the graph. Ngayong owner ka na ng business, kasi investor ka na, you make money the same way the business owner makes money, through dividends and capital gains. Dividends, well, from the root word divide, invento ko lang. Well, ibig sabihin, dinivide sa investors yung share of earnings ng company. Why would the company do that? Kasi they are also shareholders of the company. So they are also paying themselves. Ang galing, di ba? Capital gains or capital appreciation. Sa mundo ng depreciation, ito yung marunong mag-appreciate. So, ibig sabihin, yung company na binili mo is now worth more than when you bought it. For example, parang yung Jollibee kwento ko, pero baliktad na. Ako na yung may-ari ng Jollibee. If I bought a Jollibee share, year 2010, worth 100 per share, tapos bumili ako ng 10 shares, so that's 1,000 worth. 2 years later, yung price ng share is 200 per share. So that's already a difference of 100 or 50% gain. Malinaw? Ready ka na? The step-by-step guide is to open a trading account with COL Financial, previously Citysec Online. Disclaimer, you don't give me your investment. I don't touch your money. You invest it yourself to the stock market. I do not work or in any way related to COL Financial. I recommend COL mainly because I'm one of their clients and I have first-hand experience in their system and customer service. Oh, and I like their free seminars too. Napakadali lang nito. Kung nakapag-open ka na ng account sa bank, parang ganun lang din siya. And everything is online. Step 1 is to prepare the following. First is email address. So all transactions and notifications regarding your COL account will be sent here. Next is tax identification number. Kung wala ka nito, you can get it online. Next is bank account to fund and receive payments from COL. I personally use BPI online banking. Kung wala ka pa nito, I've created a step-by-step guide on how to open a BPI account in my blog. And then, a government-issued valid ID and a minimum investment of 5,000. Huwag mong iuutang to, please. Mag-save ka muna. Kung hindi mo magawa, I also wrote a blog so you can start investing. Okay, let's first go to COL Financial website at www.colfinancial.com. Let's click open an account. And then next, first step is we will choose our account type depending on your initial investment amount. So, hindi ko na pinag-isipan to since beginner naman ako. I chose COL Starter. The difference lang is the user interface. So, pinaka-basic yung COL Starter. So, you have COL Plus and COL Premium. Tapos, here you would see the comparison of the account features. Step 2 is for you to fill out the application form. So, you will be filling out Customer Account Information Form or CAIF and Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act or FATCA. So, click natin tong download all forms. There. So, ito yung first form, the Customer Account Information Form or CAIF. At meron siyang 2 pages. Tapos, the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act or FATCA disclosure. At saka, Online Security Trading Agreement or OSTA. So, yung OSTA is not required to be submitted. It's just for your information. Okay? So, click tayo dun sa first form. So, common question is the account number. Ano po ba ilalagay sa account number? So, you just leave it blank. The COL officer will fill this out for you. Okay? So, next is the account ownership. So, meron kang 3 options. Individual. Kung solo owner ka, you just click individual. Joint is kung may asawa ka and you like joint account under one name. So, you choose joint. Yung ITF naman is if you want to open an account for your child below 18 years old. So, if you choose individual account, ownership, lahat ng nasa secondary account holder field, you can leave it blank para lang siya sa joint or ITF. So, you just fill out all personal information. Ayan. Disclosures, financial investment profile. Tapos itong Philippine bank account details. Ito yung gagamitin mo if you wish to withdraw. Next is the bank account details. So, ito yung gagamitin mo if you wish to withdraw your COL funds. Dito ka magka-cash out. And finally, your specimen signature. Tapos, how did you learn about COL financial? So, pili ka lang dyan. And ito for COL use only. So, yung next form, yung FATCA disclosure is you just fill out the same personal information you have supplied earlier, individual joint or ITF, account number blank, and tapos last name, first name, middle name. So, yung FATCA, this one is needed kasi there are tax complications if you are a US citizen. So, if you're not, just fill out the form. Tapos, itong online securities trading agreement, basahin nyo na lang pero it's not required to be submitted. Step 3 is to submit additional requirements. Naka-outline naman na dito if you are a Filipino citizen, resident foreign citizen, non-resident foreign citizen, or ITF account requirements. Step 4 is submit forms. Submit original signed forms and clear ID documents to COL Financial or through iRemit branches. So kapag na-receive na nila yon, a sales officer will review your applications and schedule a video conference call for information and verification. Nung nag-open ako ng account, they called me via Skype and asked some personal identifiable information like name, date of birth. So yun, ganun lang. Step 5 is once nasend mo na yung mga documents, you will receive an email with instructions to fund your account. The email has your account number na gagamitin mo for funding. Parang nagbabayad ka lang ng bills via banks. You can do this online bills payment or over the counter or going to COL Business Center or overseas remittances. Tapos, once they receive your funding, you will receive your second email with COL na included na yung COL account number mo at COL password. So, you can start buying your first stock. So, that's it. And see you on the next training video on Visit oneforthemoney.com/psmfree to get the ebook version of this video that contains free bonuses, resources for being part of One Nation. Our newsletter also gives out free resources, tools, blogs, and exclusive videos like this so you can work hard but make money work harder for you.